Local news for Monday the 23rd of July. Data released by Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows there were 32 fewer farm sales for the 3 months ended June 2018 than for the same time last year. In the Wairarapa Wellington regions, subdued activity on the sheep and beef front, with an increase in the inquiry for dairy support blocks due to farmers moving to being self-contained in the response to the Mycoplasma bovis issue, as well as reports of some larger quality sheep and beef properties being sold to forestry interests. A water shutdown is scheduled to take place today between 9 and 4, with the areas affected including the Waihinni Valley Road, Wallace and Humphrey Streets and Woodside Road. The works are to be carried out at the Waihinni Valley Road treatment and plant and at the rail corridor. And in sport, the club rugby finalists have been found. The Tui Cup this weekend will be contested between Gladstone and Carterton, while Marist play East Coast in the plates, and in the senior reserve grade, Pioneer play Puketoi.